Hearing that thunder. You got a tornado warning storm out to the west. Yeah. I think, back west. And then we'll kick north. And that's the tail going into it. So the tornado's buried right back there. I think that might be it in there. That's why I was wanting to try and kick east so that we could, have room to get out, but it's like it's gonna be coming up over that hill. Yeah, that wind is hauling it into that storm. That's exactly what Alta Vista did back in March. Oh my. Yeah. And prayers for northern Missouri. Yeah, it's only starting. Oh yeah, that's 1,000% a tornado somewhere.
Yeah, we've gotten to the point where it's not even showing the...
Yeah, tornado just crossed whatever
Remember how
road
slow
this is.